Good morning everybody and welcome to today's maths lesson. Now this week in maths we are learning about something new. We haven't actually learnt about this at school yet. We are learning about something called halving. Halving. I wonder if anybody knows what halving means. Maybe you could pause the video now and talk to your grown-up about what you think halving means. Did you have a little chat? Well done. Now it doesn't matter if you don't know what halving is because we haven't learnt about it at school yet, and that's why we're learning about it this week. And I'm very pleased that you have joined us this morning because Miss Hollenby and I have been having a big argument over my delicious chocolate cake. Now, I only have one chocolate cake and I want it.
And I want it too.
We can't share this cake if there's only one. Either I've got it or you've got it, Miss Hollenby.
Yes, we can, Miss Talbot. We need to share it fairly.
I wonder how I can share this one cake fairly between Miss Hollenby and me. You pause the video now and tell your grown-up, how do you think you can share this cake fairly? Did you come up with some ideas? Well done. Now, Miss Hollenby, I don't know. How are we going to share this cake fairly?
Well, Miss Talbot, you need to halve the cake.
I need to halve the cake. Right, I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to halve the cake. Are you ready, everyone at home? This is going to sort out the argument. Cutting it up. There we go. Just like that. Oh, look, I've halved the cake. Miss Hollenby, you can have this smaller piece here. Is that okay?
No, Miss Talbot, that is not fair.
It isn't fair, really, is it? I've cut it into two pieces, but this piece is much bigger and this piece is much smaller. That is not halving. I think I actually remember how to halve something now. Luckily, I have another chocolate cake. Now, halving is when we split something into two equal parts. Now, both of the pieces need to be the same size. So I'm going to show you how to halve the cake. Here's a little trick. I'm going to fold it in half like this, right down the middle. Can you see it's made a line? And I'm going to cut my cake right down the middle here. And I'm turning it into one whole cake. And I've turned it into two equal pieces. Can you see that both pieces are the same size? That's what halving is. Here you go, Miss Hollenby.
Oh, that's much better.
Well done. Okay, now we're going to have a little look at my PowerPoint presentation. And the PowerPoint presentation today is called What is Halving? And we're learning how to halve shapes. So we've just halved our chocolate cake. Let's see what else we're going to halve. It says this is a whole pizza. A whole pizza, one whole delicious pizza. And now it says the pizza has been cut into two halves. Can you see that both parts of the pizza are exactly the same size? That's how we know we have halved it correctly. This is one half of the pizza. It says this is a whole pizza. Can you click on the knife to cut it into two halves? Shall we see what happens? Because it's whole at the moment and we want to halve the pizza. Let's see if we get it right. I'm going to click on the knife. Oh, there we go. And it's going to cut it right down the middle into two equal parts. We have halved the pizza. One half of the pizza and another half of the pizza. Now, this is your activity for today. I have put this PowerPoint presentation onto Class Dojo, so you can actually access this PowerPoint presentation at home. So get your grown-ups to bring the PowerPoint presentation up for you today, and it's going to be your job to find the other half of the object. It says half of this cake is missing. Can you find the other half? Yeah, I can see half of the chocolate cake is missing. Miss Hollenby, let me have a look. Is this the other half of the chocolate cake?
No.
That is half an orange. Is this the other half of the chocolate cake?
No.
No, that's half a pizza. I think I know. I think that this is the other half of the chocolate cake. Shall I click and see if I'm right? Here we go. Yes, look. The two halves of the chocolate cake make one whole chocolate cake. And there's lots of other examples that you're going to work through on this PowerPoint. So good luck. I hope you find all of the missing halves, and we can't wait to see your photographs. Bye.